this is how I'm browning my oxtail. I turn them, as we go. This is not a small oxtail, this is the big one. So my family prefer the big ones. So we got the big ones. You can get it from, any supermarket. And this is what we are doing here. So I boil my water up in a kettle, and I'm not going to let it brown too much. I'm going to put water, and then when it's dry down, I'm going to put some more water. I'm going to cover it up and let it cook, and when it's close to cook, then I'm going to put in my onion and onion seasoning. So as we go along, I'll show you. You have to take your time and put the water in like this. And then I'm going to cover. And then I'm going to cover. And then you take your fork and then you'll touch and see. You touch and see how soft it is. As I told you, I'm not going to use any pressure cooker for this one. I just want it to cook regular. So as the water goes down, you add more water until it's soft. And then I'm going to add my onion and scallion and other seasoning and my butter bean. I'll show you later as we go along in One Honey Bell Kitchen. Yeah! Oxtail without pressure cooker is ready. If you look, I just put the butter bean and you can see the carrot and all the other vegetables. It's so nice. It's so yummy. I don't have to put any cornstarch because the Irish potato and the carrot just cook down and it's thick and nice and ready to eat. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. For those of you who have subscribed already, I'm very thankful from the bottom of my heart. Thanks. And for those of you who don't subscribe yet, I'm asking to subscribe. Come on, let's go with One Honey Bell and see how we cook all these wonderful and delicious meals so you can cook for your family too. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.